Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about one new topic, okay? Imagine you are working for 10 to 15 years in a big tech company, and one day you wake up to an email at 6 a.m. and saying you are no longer needed. This is exactly what happening right now at Oracle. Okay, Oracle, one of the biggest tech company in the world. Okay, reportedly laying off thousands of employees globally. And the scary part, what? This is not just about the Oracle. This is about the future of your job. Recently, report came out that Oracle is cutting a huge number of jobs. Some estimates saying that 30 employees are going to be laid off from Oracle. These layoffs are happening across the different country, including in India. Okay, so the question is, why would a billion-dollar company fire so many people? So the biggest reason is AI. Oracle is investing heavily in artificial intelligence and data center. Instead of hiring more people, companies are now using AI tool to do the same work faster and cheaper. So in simple word, machines are replacing humans. Okay, and second reason is money. Building AI infrastructure cost billion of dollar. To manage that cost, company reduce the employee because for them, okay, cutting job is equals to saving money. Okay, and the truth is nobody want to hear there is not just Oracle. This is not just Oracle. Many tech company are doing the same thing, cutting job and investing in AI. Okay, which means this is a trends. Okay, for employee this is scary. People with year of experience are losing job security in tech is no longer guaranteed. Okay, even high paying IT job are now at risk. In my opinion, this is the beginning of big shift. In the future, skill will matter more than degree, and only those who adapt to AI will survive in the job market. So the real question is not why is Oracle firing employees. The real question is, are you ready for what's coming next? Okay, if you find this useful, like this video, subscribe for more. Subscribe for more real tech update. Okay, bye bye, take care, see you next video.